Today I'm going to show you how to thread a needle. The first thing you need to know is the anatomy of a needle. If you look at a needle, there is a hole in the top wider portion. This is called the eye of the needle. The opposite side of that needle is very sharp. That's what you're going to use to poke through your fabric. That's what you think of when you think of needle. So we have the sharp end. Now, there's a couple of ways you can thread a needle without getting yourself frustrated. First, I do have some of these needle threaders. Needle threaders have a little tiny wire on the end that goes through the eye of the needle. So you will need to be set up with a scissors, thread cut to the right length, your needle, of course, and a needle threader. Now, if you don't have a needle threader, I'm going to show you how you can also make your own. But first, let's start with the needle threader. Step 1, hold the needle in your hand, like so. Step 2, take the wire portion of the needle threader and poke it through the eye of the needle, like this. Then it kind of just hangs there. Then you're going to take one end of your thread and put it through the hole or the empty space in the wire on your needle threader. So you'll leave a little tail hanging over like so. Don't pull it all the way through. Then hold the needle threader here so you don't break the wire off. I'm going to hold it right there and gently tug it so it comes through the eye of the needle until the tail also gets through. Once the tail is through, you're going to take off the needle threader like so. Then your needle is threaded. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your own needle threader. If you have a little piece of note card or a little stiffer cardstock, you can cut a strip of the paper. You just have to make sure that that strip isn't so fat that it can't go through the eye of the needle. So the width has to be correct. Then you're going to make your own needle threader. So I'm going to fold this in half so I have a little bit of a loop. But I need to crease it so I can get it through the eye. I'm going to put it through the eye of the needle, like so. Then I'm going to pop it out so I can put the thread right in there. Again, take the end of your thread, take it through the loop, and just leave a little tail. You know it's happy when its tail is wagging, right? Then gently tug through the eye of the needle until you get the tail out the other side. Now you have a threaded needle and you're almost ready to start sewing.